Hello everybody, it's your boy Gumio. Today we'll be playing Minecraft Bedwars with my good friend DemonTornado here. And we'll be recording our
Hello.
adventures in Bedwars, where we are trash and cannot really fight properly. Alright, we're gonna dive right away with our bed over here, and Tornado, it's getting some resources.
I am here. I am
It's
here.
fucking dark. It's quite dark in the corner. So we're gonna try
It
to put like
is
emergency supplies in this chest, right?
like my life.
I just get more of these supplies, more of the supplies. Yeah, bro, I think we should put like concrete around the
This is
box.
good.
Yeah, concrete around the bed, not
But
wool.
just hard or planks.
Oh, bro, I'm
I'm
lagging
just gonna
shit.
use this one.
Alright, you'll be watching a lagging bed wars video today, guys.
What?
White bed has already been
I
destroyed.
thought it was
No,
hard.
bro, they're gonna steamroll to our place soon. Crap. Let's just
Oh, someone's trying to get the diamond though.
you wanna race for that diamond or do you wanna?
No, no! Oh my gosh, I died.
Oh. Right, guys, you guys can already see we're
Fuck.
noobs. We have no idea what the hell we're doing in Bed Wars. We're just trying our best to not die. Oh jeez. Right, I'm gonna build a few towers. I'm gonna try to fortify this place, guys. Seems like the logical thing to do.
And you can.
The towers, bro, I'm
Trying
literally
to.
lagging. Let me check my Wi-Fi for a second. It's my main Wi-Fi. What the shit, guys? All right. Okay, we can get a
Okay, no
wooden.
one's trying to storm the place.
For
Oh,
now.
yellow team, yellow is here.
Immediately after you say, oh wait, no, wait.
Oh yes. Uh,
Bro,
yes.
you were like, no one's trying to attack us, and immediately one guy just, no, they're from upstairs. Okay, wait. Okay, we go to the island right now. I'm gonna get the bow.
Oh, you stay there.
I'm gonna go and get the bow just in case, you know what I
Stay
mean?
there. Stay there. Oh, someone is in the tower. What are you gonna do, fam? What are you gonna do?
Oh, it's gonna
You're
blow a
gonna
fucking
fight.
hole.
Oh no, I did. Ah, me dead.
No, double team. No,
Oh no.
fuck,
Oh.
shit.
Sure.
Alright, guys, we're back with another round again in the high-rise buildings.
do
It's
it.
giving me like, you know, the anime, the high-rise invasion. It's giving me that kind of vibes. Okay, but there'll be no sniper mask. It just be us.
I rise.
Bro, do you wanna do the that thing we did last time? Like we just hide upstairs and
Oh,
fortify the
like
insides.
hide. Okay.
Yeah, we just hide. We don't
What we're
fight.
gonna do what we were gonna do is make a high tower, right? And then kill ourselves, and we have to make a fort above, and then we're just gonna hide below the building.
Yeah, yes. Oh, then they'll think
Buying
like, okay, I get you.
all the stuff that I need to buy. Mm.
Guys,
Let's
if you guys
stack up.
if you guys watch this video for some cool Bed Wars moments, I'm sorry guys, we are noobs. We're just gonna hide like a bunch of pussies. There won't be any epic fight to the
Go
death
on.
this time. Give me a second.
Towering up your own tower also, so that it won't be too obvious.
Yeah, I get what you're trying to say.
This is so genius.
We are geniuses. We are genius with the penis.
You're gonna be so upset when they found out. Wait, where's this guy?
Where are those fuckers? Bro, I got an idea. I'm gonna buy a lot of fireballs, and then when they land on top, right, I'm just gonna launch the fireball at them. They'll be like, "Gotcha, bitches!" And then realize like, wait, we've been psyched.
Hold up.
Where the bitches at?
Hey, what the doing? Hey, what the
What
dog
doing?
doing?
Jinx, give me kind of soda. I'm gonna go for the gold.
Shit.
I'm gonna go for the diamond.
How much is the fireball?
I think it was 40 or 50. I think it's 50.
The gold?
Yeah. No, iron. iron. Oh fuck! I nearly fell to my death.
Guard, please guard the bed so that
But I'm not guarding the
really
bed.
wanted to make a sign here and like say, "Ha, gotcha, bitch."
Gotcha. Gotti. But how
Daddy.
pissed would they be though?
Wait, hold on. I already killed myself, so that's good. Wait, that didn't
Right,
sound
5
right.
diamonds, 5 diamonds. Alright guys, we do not condone suicide, we do not promote suicide, so yeah. Just want to get it out of the way first.
Okay,
Okay, we've
see you
got,
below, my friend. Okay, good. Oh yes. No, fuck! I died. No, it's going so well. Oh, you made a heal pool? Oh, they're
yep.
coming. Coming. Coming.
No, incoming, incoming. You're not gonna take me alive, you're not gonna take me alive. Shit. Fuck. Okay, I guess it's up to Tornado now. My job was to distract them as Tornado got to building his secret base. Bro, where you at? Where you at? No, this fucker's probably thinking like, hey, where?
Find me, son.
He's just hiding right there. Bro, can you see me though? I'm right in front of you. Bro, okay, let's see what these guys are doing. Bro, they're trying to pile up. He's looking directly up on top of the. Bro, he's launching fireballs at your position. You know what I'm trying to say?
Wait, hold on. Let me try to get around.
But guys, this is
They
the
suspect
this is the
nothing.
highest IQ play.
Wait, did they see me?
No,
Wait,
no, no,
hold
no,
on.
no, no,
There's
no.
no way.
They are no, bro. They are still attacking your hideout. If you know what I'm trying to say. But this guy is still trying to find Tornado. It's like, where the fuck is Tornado? But there's one guy in our base though. Is that him? No, no, no. But this is the one guy just
Where is
looking at you
he?
and be like, fuck.
Is
How
he
did...
sneaking?
No,
Is he
no, he's coming down. He's
sneaking?
coming down. He's coming down. Stay where you are.
Okay.
He's already above you. He's like getting supplies from our base.
So Aqua's bed is still intact.
You
They
want to
don't
sneak over
care
and
about
kill
the
it?
bed. No. I'm not gonna make that cost.
Okay, he just decided to leave. He's like, fuck it, I'm leaving.
No
Bruh.
one shall suspect the tornado.
Though he's piling to another
I'm not
building.
gonna.
I'm afraid he might see you. Bro, move, move, move. He's gonna see you. Wait, where did you go? Okay, never mind. You're safe. Wow.
Wow. Wow. I wonder.
I wonder where did he go? Where did Tornado
I
go?
wonder how.
I
I wonder
wonder
why.
why. Oh no! Stop! 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 Copyright! Copyright! All right.
Let's go deep.
Aqua is fighting. Aqua killed one man. Bro, Aqua's not bad. Bro, Aqua is not bad. He's killing people. Shawty know I kill people. Real people.
Is he? Is he gonna kill me?
Nope. You can't kill what you can't find.
Lego.
Bro, you're still there. What the fuck? Bro, you're still right here.
I am invincible.
Bro. Okay, wait,
They
wait,
be
wait. He's
fighting
going for that
like,
bait. He's going for
hey,
that
yo,
bait.
what?
Oh! Bro, this Linux is just taking everyone on. He's taking everyone on. My man, an absolute legend. Where did he go?
Who's gonna survive? Dun 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 dun. Wait, how do I get over this?
Okay,
I have
another
61 blocks. Gonna suspect anything. They're gonna like team up and then like
look for
agree
you.
like, where the heck is this guy?
Oh my gosh.
might take a while.
Yeah,
But
they might take a while to
I
find
am
you.
liking this. This is nice. I like this.
Me like it. Can you do the Peter
Me
Griffin
like
voice?
it.
Can you do Peter Griffin for the viewers?
Um. Oh, I can't do the
The
Peter
Family Guy?
voice. Ah,
Bro, I'm in your
they can't
perspective.
see me.
Oh gosh.
They can't see me.
Bro, can you do the Family Guy voice? The Joe?
Joe.
Joe.
Hey, Peter. Swanson. Hey, Peter.
Hey, what the dog doing?
I'm gonna make
But it just dawned to me, you
a
know.
risk.
It just dawned to me. Some of the bases has basketball courts, and our base has a fucking helipad. A real estate.
I'm gonna
Bro, imagine
make.
someone sees you and just shoots an arrow and kills you.
How are they? How? I would survive this much.
How are you still alive? That's the question.
How? Where is this guy? Is this guy hacking? I was like, maybe.
It's not called hacking if you just twist the system, you know what I'm trying to say, my bitch.
I'm trying to just. Might fall.
You can like get out of there and get some supplies and come back down here again.
No, that would be risky for me.
Oh, you just lost one block. You just lost another block. Just pile up, just pile
really?
up. Just pile up. we should really do like a hide and seek video. Minecraft hide and seek with me, you, Latin, the rest of them, you know what I'm trying to say.
What do you mean hide and seek? I'm already doing it.
Okay, wait, blues, green's on the way to our base. Be careful.
Hey,
He's coming for our supplies. I think just leave.
to inspect.
Where's the last guy? They're like, where's the last blue
Like,
guy? Where's the last red guy? Can't find
hey, yo,
him.
where the red here?
Bro, he's going around. Bro, he's investigating the mess. But he's still down there.
I am going deeper, man.
No
Literally
one's gonna
going
find you.
deep.
No one's gonna find you. Wait, let me.
Ah, this is so genius. Oh gosh.
Spice up the video. Wait, do you see the chat?
Oh, I can't see the chat. Is there like?
Bro, there, just type in chat. The last red guy is below the building. Bro, I actually
Wait,
dare you.
who chatted?
The game chat,
Oh
the game
no
chat.
no no. Like there's no one chatting here. I can't see the chat. If someone's like
Spots you right now. You're in deep shit.
can I go deeper?
Bro, this guy.
It's so stupid. Can I go deeper? I wonder.
Bro, they look so confused. They're like, where's the last red guy?
Hey, where the guy at? Is
Where
he
the green
gonna
guy at?
fall?
Wait, where the red guy at? But they can't find you. Final kill. We're still alive.
Final kill this bitch.
My bitch still down there. Enjoying life.
I am right here.
This
No
is the
one
last.
can see me
This is
now.
the last building. This is like the last place you can go. Oh, you're just losing blocks.
So
Well,
Gumyu, how's your day?
I'm doing fine, bruh.
Wow, I know, right? Like, imagine dying on Bedwars, right? Like, oh my god, that's gonna be so hilarious.
Alright, Cyan is fortifying the base.
Oh my gosh.
What are
Okay.
the greens doing? What are the green doing? Okay.
Breaking news. This is esports now.
Yeah. Green's bed is fucked. But green is I don't know where the hell the green guys at. Wait, are they doing the same thing as you? Or they're not? Fuck. Okay. Bro, where they at? Where the green bitches at?
Hey yo, we're ready, bro.
But imagine spectators can delete blocks. Why would delete this whole building and we'll see you fall to your death? But they're so confused. Like, where the
Oh,
hell's the red guy? The guy is at the bottom of the building.
no,
Wait, can you
no,
see?
no, no,
Bro, can
no.
you see that?
No, I can't, cause you're on the spectators chat.
Bro, just do it, just do it. Oh wait, blue.
Oh, Aqua. Oh, I'm so scared.
He
Aqua's
can't
gonna
find. He's like,
kill
wait, where
me.
this bitch at? Where is he at? Where is he at? Bro, he can't find you. He'll be so
He-
pissed.
Okay, I'm just gonna chat him like.
So I'm underneath the red building. Come and get me, bitch. Still have 4 minutes to go. But this will be an endless fight. Just kill yourself, bro. Just jump off the building. So,
No.
how's the weather, Aqua? Fuck. But this guy's playing with the Aqua players right now. This is not funny at
Where's
all.
Aqua right now?
I have no idea. Wait, let me just try to track him down.
Did someone said like this is not funny at all?
Nope. Oh, that's me. Bro, this guy is he's still trying to fortify his bed. He still thinks you're trying to attack him. Bro, he's
Confusion
hiding. He's
intensifies.
hiding. Bro, can I just like
Where
attack him?
is he?
Boss, this is gonna take a lot of video time. It's gonna take a lot of video
No,
time.
you're just gonna time lapse this.
Hey, this guy still dead ass thinks you're trying to
You're just
attack
gonna
him.
time lapse this.
This guy dead ass thinks he's still trying to attack him. Bro, they blew up your sky base and then they just realized like, oh wait, no, he's not there.
Oh god, where's this guy?
But if you just go onto the roof and you can see the damage
Masaka,
they
this
did.
can't be. Fuck, I'm lagging. Okay, so where is this guy?
He's at his base, trying to fortify his base. If you want to attack, right, you need to get like a bunch of equipment first. You're going to war, man.
I'm running out of. I'm
Block.
running out of blocks. Fuck.
You're not
Yeah,
you're not
I'm
gonna
running
make it.
out of-
You're not gonna make it.
How do I? I have an idea.
Bro, go over the side. Go over the side.
Here.
Yeah, and then keep walking. There's like a platform, but do it slowly. Do it slowly. Bro, imagine.
Ah.
Bro, imagine an arrow comes out of nowhere and hits you off. It's like, hello, I'm back, world.
What's up, bitches? Did you miss me?
Whoa, the
I
next
know
match,
you
right?
did.
No, the next match we should just hide, like, downstairs and wait for everyone to kill each other. Then we attack.
Oh shit!
And then
shit,
the
shit,
Fire
shit, shit.
Nation attacked.
Is he coming? Is he coming?
No, he's still at his
Is he
base.
coming?
He's still at his base. He dead ass thinks you're still trying to attack him. He's like, I'm ready to fight.
Where is he?
Wait, no, he's piling, he's coming. He's still at his base though. What you doing?
Okay. So he has emerald, right? If I could go mid, in
Oh,
you can
he's
just
on the
go
way, he's
with
on the way.
emeralds.
He's coming.
Really? Where's he coming? We're at which side?
No, he's still quite far from you. He's at his own diamond. It's not at our diamond. He's just collecting diamonds. For now, I think.
Really?
He's just after his diamonds.
Where is the blue located? Where's the blue located?
All the way on the other side of the map. It's like USA
Good,
versus
I have
Russia.
Like the
I think we are the commies.
towers. So
No,
what
no,
I
no,
need
no, no,
to
no,
do
no.
is just buy apples and then TNT
Yup.
straight up.
5 fireballs.
Oh, you know what? Wait, hold on. I have an idea. He was fortifying his shit, right?
No, bro.
Ooh, I
He
can do
literally
this.
has layers and layers of things around. It starts with I think concrete, then end stone, then wood, then now blast-proof glass.
Okay, there's no way I could defeat this guy, but I could outsmart this guy.
Wait, get
I
a
can't
diamonds, get a
defeat
diamonds.
someone. Yeah, I'm getting a diamond. Mine diamonds. Okay, this will be crazy if I could literally defeat this guy with just one blow. Like, he fucks it up so miserably. It's not even funny for him.
I'm watching in your perspective, so my viewers can see what you're seeing. Oh, come on, man.
You see my nuts?
No, shut up. I'm so sorry, guys.
I...
Tornado is a bit he's a convicted child molester, so yeah.
Okay, where is he?
Do you see his base?
No, where?
You see it? You
That's
see that
white?
dome?
Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it.
Yeah, that's him.
Okay.
Wait,
Jump.
but it's not in his base. Wait, where yet?
Where is he? Where
Wait,
is he?
wait, wait, stay there, stay there,
No,
stay
you
there.
lost him.
Stay there, stay there. I'm gonna guys, this is actually cheating, but fuck it. Bro, he's not at his base.
Me? Outsmart Wars.
It's no longer
This video
Bedwars.
is just
Oh, he's down there, he's down there, he's down there, behind you, behind you. He's coming, he's coming. Bro, 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 bro. Okay, wait.
upstairs.
Wait. Turn to the right. This building over here. The diorite building.
Oh, I see
He'll be
him.
coming this way.
See him.
Oh shit, bro, you have an arrow? Shoot him now, shoot him now. Bro, he's literally going back to his base. The diamond spawner there. Oh, he fell off. They're also anticlimactic. Okay, he should be respawning. Okay, he's respawned. He's in his base. We just hide and hide.
What was that noise?
Just hide. He's still at his base though, collecting stuff. Just hide. Okay, I'll climb down the stairs.
I think I can make a launcher. Hold on. I think I can make a launcher. Oh, I can't. I can't make a launcher.
Bro, you just blew
Fuck.
your element of surprise. The only thing Tornado blew up was his element of surprise.
He's actually blowing himself up. Could you imagine? Hello there, young child. Come on, let's be vulnerable.
You know, this fetish of young, vulnerable children. That's why he's a convicted child molester together with Super Groot. Alright, he's coming, bro, he's coming.
Face me if you can.
this
no
is
need
catching.
to be shy. No need for you to be shy.
Bro, he's chasing you, he's chasing you.
Catch.
Okay, wait, when I say place, then you place the TNT. Oh wait, no, never mind. I thought the surprise blow him up. He's coming, bro.
Hold on. You're making me nervous, daddy.
He's coming. But if I have block the stairs. Oh, he's downstairs. Wait, he's still downstairs. Oh shit. Okay, he's coming. Wait, is he? No, he's not. He's buying stuff. He's buying stuff. Go. End him. Bro, I was the second killer. Yes. Guys, that was an epic fight. See you guys in the next. Alright guys, we're back with another match. It's I don't think we can hide. Yeah, I'm recording right now. I don't think we
Okay.
can hide for this thing.
Okay, let's kill them. Fuck
We
them.
fight to
No,
the
fuck
death.
them. We
Or we
fight
or we can
for
hide
freedom.
upstairs. We can hide upstairs. Like a bunch
No,
of
I'm just
pussies.
gonna fucking.
Murder them.
No. Oh, pink, 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 pink. Oh, I'm so hungry. I am so thirsty. I want to kill pink right now. Watch
This
my back.
guy's
Watch my
idea
back.
of thirsty is okay, tornado just a bit of fucked up in the head.
Daddy, I'm so thirsty.
Tornado just fucked up in the head.
Daddy.
I'm so sorry if you guys are having a good day and you watch this video. But you guys probably gonna have a bad day after watching this video, but fuck. Oh wait, white, 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 white.
I'm
Oh,
white.
that was you.
What's the matter with you, son? Do
Nothing.
I
I'm
look
just
like an enemy to you?
yeah.
Nothing, daddy. I'm just
I mean, you do look like a
you
commie.
know, in the zone.
And this, I'm in the zone. You know what
But
I'm trying to
like,
say,
it's
bitches.
so overrated.
Yeah.
Yo, I can literally break the
Bit. Yeah, just
bed.
rush them. Just rush them.
Rush.
Rush them. I'll give you some cover fire if you want.
That would be amazing. But I need pickaxe.
Yeah, you get that pickaxe.
Yeah, what's the bed? Wow, they're breaking a lot of things today, huh? Okay. Can you hit pink? Can you try to like bow him?
Hit him with an arrow.
I hit him.
Okay, got it.
He's spying on me. Okay, he's
That was a hit.
calling up.
That was a hit.
Was
That was a
it?
miss.
Need to purchase a TNT. I need a TNT. Oh, okay.
But I'm just laying down fire
That's
on them.
one.
I'm laying down
Wait,
fire
hold
on them.
on. For me, I shall go and see. I shall strike them with the mighty as can be. Oh, the agony.
One of them's heading upstairs.
Hit him.
Yeah, I hit him. I hit him.
Nice.
I hit him.
Nice. Yeah, better fortify.
I'm gonna fall back a bit to get more arrows.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Did I break it? Oh, red was on our way. Fuck.
Okay, we need to replenish
our
all
way.
my arrows. I need to replenish the arrows. Okay.
Some TNT.
Bro, it's literally
God
thundering out
apples
there, bro.
and-
Boom, boom, bang, bitches.
Boom, bam, bop.
Boom, bam, pop,
Pow.
bitches.
Okay, you can kill pink. There's only one pink left, so.
Yeah, give me a second. I'm just gonna get more stuff. I'm a hoarder, alright, so shut up. Oh, I really want that goal. Should I go for that goal? Get. I'm just gonna go and get the gold and the emeralds.
I got him. I put them up.
Alright, I'm coming. Wait, I'm going for the goal. Five. Oh crap! I nearly fell to my death. Bro, let's go. Whoa, your mic is a bit fucked. Okay, wait. I'm almost there, guys. Almost there.
Red.
Emeralds. Got it. Let's get out of here. Oh crap!
You fall.
Yeah, I had emeralds and gold. Oh no, one guy's at our base. I'm dead again.
Oh, I already killed them. Fuck.
I'm dead.
Yep,
Your
that was
love
it.
is suicidal. Where are you at? Where are
That
you
was
at?
it. I'm already dead.
Oh, I'm dead as well.
Huh. Well, what do you
Oh,
know?
fuck.
You suck!
Alright, so guys, that will conclude today's video. I hope you guys do enjoy today's video. If you guys did, leave a like and subscribe to my little channel. Join our Discord family. And of course, check out my friend DemonTornado's YouTube. He has a whopping was it 300 subscribers, my friend?
600.
300, 600. Join his 600
600.
plus subscriber family. It's a he's here. He has a great channel. I'll link his channel below, and I'll also feature one of his videos that will be popping out soon. I think on the right side of the screen. If that's all, guys, it's Gamio and DemonTornado, and we'll be both seeing you guys in the next video.